changes that our heating and cooling industry faces on a daily basis, from technological advancements to the type of refrigerant that hurts the environment the least, even equipment pricing and technician certifications. This brings the fate of the traditional air conditioning company to the present, and always with a closure. This is what defines the difference between a good air conditioning company and a time-tested HVAC company like Rod Johnson Air. In 1994, Rod Johnson Air opened the doors, became incorporated in 1997, and have held a fully accredited A+ rating with the Better Business Bureau. After 20 years of service to Central California, Rod Johnson Air has set the industry standard for residential and commercial HVAC.
Call Rod Johnson Air today at 9314100 and get your AC checked out for as low as $29.95. 20 years of service to our community. That's Rod Johnson Air.